If you're looking for the best project management tool to streamline your workflow, you've probably stumbled across Monday.com and Nifty. But which one is the better fit for your team? In this video, we'll dive into the strengths and weaknesses of both so you can make a more informed decision. But stick around because at the end, I'll reveal a better alternative that might just surprise you. First off, let's talk about Monday.com. Monday.com is one of the most popular project management tools out there, offering a clean, visual interface that's easy to navigate. It's known for its versatility and customization options, which is great if your team has a range of different needs. Whether you need task management, time tracking, or even budgeting, Monday.com covers it all. The layout is intuitive, and you can easily track the progress of multiple projects at once. Next thing, Monday.com excels when it comes to integrations. It connects with over 40 apps, including Slack, Google Drive, and even your email. If your team relies heavily on third-party tools, this feature will save you tons of time. But here's the catch, this level of customization comes with a price. You'll find that some advanced features are locked behind a higher tier plans, and it can get pretty expensive for larger teams. Now, let's shift to Nifty. Nifty offers a more streamlined approach, focusing on the essentials for task and project management. One of its standout features is its built-in document collaboration. It allows you to work on files directly within the platform, which can really save time compared to switching between apps. Nifty also stands out with its team-centric communication tools, such as the ability to have discussions directly on tasks, which keeps everything organized. The fourth thing to note about Nifty is its affordability. While Monday.com can quickly rack up costs, Nifty offers a more budget-friendly option for small to medium-sized teams. However, that lower price point means there are some features missing compared to Monday.com, particularly in reporting and some of the more complex automations. Next, both platforms offer mobile apps, which is crucial for teams on the go. Monday.com's app is quite robust, allowing you to manage tasks, view timelines, and communicate with team members seamlessly. Nifty's mobile experience is decent, but it's not as polished. That said, if you're looking for a lightweight mobile experience without the frills, Nifty still gets the job done. But here's where it gets interesting. While both Monday.com and Nifty offer a solid set of tools, they each have their limitations. Monday.com can be overwhelming for smaller teams with its feature overload and steep learning curve. Nifty, on the other hand, may feel too basic for large enterprises with more complex needs. So, which one stands out? Honestly, it depends on your needs. Monday.com is the powerhouse for teams that need all the bells and whistles, but it comes at a high price. Nifty is more affordable and user-friendly, but lacks some of the advanced features that Monday.com offers. That being said, both of these tools are solid choices for managing projects. But after trying both and comparing them, if you're looking for a more balanced solution that combines the best of both worlds, ease of use, customization, and affordability, there is a better alternative out there. If you're interested in exploring that alternative, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Trust me, this might be the game changer your team needs.